Hello guys, today we will learn SAP MM Basic configurations. Okay, so I'm just opening the notepad. So what are the SAP MM Basic configurations? Okay, so during the implementation or rollout projects, once the organization structure or org structure has been defined and configured in SAP systems. So what are the org structure? First of all, charts of accounts. This has been done by the FICO team. Okay, controlling area. Okay, then company code. So once they define this all these three things, you have to start with the plant code creation. Okay, so plant code creation, that is the MM consultant's responsibility to create plant. Plant comes under the logistics. So what is the plant? Plant is a legal entity in any enterprise structure that comes under the logistics, where the planning, procurement, purchasing, production, quality, accounts, sales activities performed. Okay, so plant may be a manufacturing plant or any warehouse. Okay, that can be a plant. Okay, and port. Okay, that can be a plant. So likewise we have to define. Okay, I will go in SAP system later. Once the plant code created, now next will be the plant code assigned with respective company code. That is a necessary. Okay, otherwise accounting entry will not generate. Okay, third, next, purchase purchase organization create and assigned with plant. That is also we have to do, MM consultant will do. Fourth, purchase group create. Okay, fifth, what else? New storage location, new storage location create and assigned to plant. Means under the plant we have to create the storage location. Next, what next? Create new material type if required. Okay, you can create. So what is the transaction? OMS2 storage location OX OX09. I need to check it. OX09. Okay, or else you can go through the SPRO navigation. Okay, next, again login. OX09. Yes, storage location creation. Okay, so this is the trans 1000 plant. You can create the new storage location, new entries, then you can create like this and save it. Okay, Now next, what is the plant code creation? OX10 T code. Okay, now go to OX10. OX10. Okay, this is how you can copy with the existing plant, or else you can create new plant. So if you want to go new entries like this, you have to create. You have to put all the address, name 1, name 2, then all the address, address, company code, region, country code, city. Okay, factory calendar. You have to assign the factory calendar. Okay. Okay. What next? OMS2 T code for metal type. This is the T code. OMS2. If you want to create new metal type, OMS2. Okay, you can create. See, metal type. Okay. If you click this one, you have to assign. So here you can see the valuation area. Valuation area nothing but it's a plant code. Okay. So you have to assign the metal type to valuation area, and you have to tick mark this quantity update and value update. This is required. Otherwise, stock inventory will not update. It will not show in MMB or MB52. Okay, in plant level. So you have to tick mark this all. You have to save it. This is the SPRO configuration. Your TR number will generate. Okay, like this you can do it. So what next? Next is a there is a one more pad here. Yeah, new document type for PR or PO means purchase order and purchase acquisition. It here configuration automatic automatic accounts determination. Okay, that is also one configurations. Here you can see automatic accounts determination setup. Okay, then metal type new movement type. Yes, one more 9 new movement type creation if required as per the business. So these are the basic configurations. Okay, required for MM. What next? Release strategy key. Next, release strategy key you have to define. Okay, so these are the basic MM configurations that we have to do. Okay, now next, MM master data. So what are the MM master data? First, material master creation, all FG, SFG, raw material, spare parts, all kind of metals as per the business what they have. Second, what is the vendor master? How many vendors they have? From there they are procuring the, they are purchasing the metals. Vendor master. Okay. Third, what next? Purchase value key that we are assigning in purchasing view in metal master. Okay. Now fourth, what next? Condition types. Okay. Next, what next? Purchase info record, very important. Purchase info record. What is the purchase info record? It's a combination of material, plant and vendor. Purchase info record. If you create the purchase info record, then all the information when you make the PO, all the information comes from the pick from the purchase info record. 6. Okay, what next? Purchase info record. Then what next? Source list. Okay, source list. Okay, next. What next? Quota arrangement, pricing procedure. Quota arrangement, pricing procedure. Metal, plant and vendor. Pricing procedure. Next. Schedule agreement is a transaction code. Schedule agreement. What is the schedule agreement? If you are procuring any metal frequently from any particular vendor, then you don't need to create multiple times PO. You can do through the schedule agreement. Okay. So these are some master data, and this is the transaction data. Okay. Now next. Uh, Service entry sheet. Service entry sheet means if you are doing any batch jobs, any job work or any service activities going on. So through the service entry sheet, you can book all the cost. Okay. So these are the configurations, and these are the master data and transaction data required. Okay. Now comes to SAP. You have to tick mark here. If you change, if you save, then TR will ask. Okay. Now go to SPRO. So now go to enterprise structure through SPRO. Now go to definition. You have to go logistic general. Then you can create the plant like this here. Okay. Now next, assignment. Once you create the plant code, you have to assign with the company code. See, assign plant to company code. Okay. You can assign multiple plant to one company code. Okay, like this. This is the company code plant. You have to assign. Okay. Now go to materials management. Purchasing organization to company code. Purchasing organization to plant. You have to assign. So these are the basic initial configurations required before you go into the transactions. Okay, or master data. Logistics execution. Okay, if warehouse management is there, you have to assign the warehouse. Now go to materials management. General setting for materials management. Okay. So like this, you can go one by one and you can do your configurations. Okay. Maintain storage location, purchase organization. Okay. Okay. This one. Number ranges also you have to define here. Number ranges. Number ranges. maintain for material types. Okay, you have to maintain PR, purchase requisition, PO. Okay, different type of PO, standard PO, subcontracting PO, stock transfer order PO. Okay, so different type of. As for the document types, you have to maintain the number range for the PRPO. Okay, so you have any questions, you can put on comments. So like this is just for the beginners. These are the basic configuration and these are the master data and transaction data required. There are some other transactions are also required like MIGO for GR and GI, goods receipt and goods issue, transfer posting. Okay, there are so many scenarios involved in MM. It's a very good model and integrate with MMSD, MM Finance, MMCO, MMPP, MMQM, like that, MMPM, plant maintenance. So there are so many integration comes while the transactions. Okay, thank you so much. You can put the comments if you have any. Okay, thanks.